Hey, Steeler Nation, look what I have found for you today. This is Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I am up here at the auction at Greensboro Auto Auction, the classic car auction. This vehicle has already gone through. It did not sell. I'll show you here in a minute what it did to. This truck has been a Chevy panel truck. 62, they call it a panel wagon on this here. 3-speed manual. They've got it themed as a Pittsburgh Steelers fans vehicle. Check that out. Any Pittsburgh Steelers fans out there? Y'all beat my Vikings in the Super Bowl, you know. Not happy about that still. Yeah, it went through the auction. Uh-oh, we got a boo-boo right here. That looks about fresh. It's got a little surface rust on it. Tell you what, he did a good job on it, making it his own, no doubt. Right down to the black wheels, truck wheels. Anybody recognize themselves in that picture? Did you go to all the Steelers games? You see yourself in there anywhere? Definitely a well-done custom on a budget. He didn't, obviously it's not a $100,000 vehicle, but he did a good job. Whoever did it. I wonder if he's mad because they didn't make the playoffs. He decided to sell it. 10-5. That was the high bid, so it's over to the deal doctor. Probably a straight, inline 6 and an overhead valve inline 6. They didn't mention anything about the engine that I saw, so. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up. Watch some of the other videos. That really helps the channel out. Share this video and spread the love. We're trying to enjoy this hobby. This channel is all about folks having fun. Enjoy the channel, enjoy the cars for what they are. Bob out.